Good morning. Good morning. Hello, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be kind of like a prepping for vacation vlog. Today is Tuesday and on Thursday I leave for Tulum. My friends and I have been talking about going to Tulum for years and it's finally happening. We're going kind of in celebration of my friend Ingrid's birthday. Her birthday's on Friday, so it's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna vlog this trip, so that video will be coming soon. But today and tomorrow I have so much to get done for this trip. Like, I'm so not ready. I'm going to get my lashes done right now. I got my nails done on Sunday, so that's already dealt with. I was gonna get something fun and colorful, and then like I didn't have a plan going into the nail salon, and then she asked me what color I wanted and I panicked and I was like, I'll just do like a pink neutral color, but I like them. They'll go with everything. But yeah, I'm going to get my lashes done. I have this new lovely pimple that just showed up this morning. It's kind of covered by my eyebrow, so it could be worse. This is what my eyelashes look like right now. I got them done 3 weeks ago and they still look pretty decent, but I'm just getting them filled today. Got my lashes done. They look so good. I also got an iced coffee. Now I'm stopping at the mall because I placed like an online order for pickup last night. I didn't know what to get Ingrid for her birthday, and I was trying to think of something because like we're gonna be in Tulum on her actual birthday, but I wanted to give her something before Tulum so that I didn't have to like take room in my suitcase for her gift, and I just like couldn't decide what to get her. But I decided to get her the makeup bag that I have. It's like the base makeup travel bag and I love it so much. I have the black one and it just like fits everything and has space for like your brushes. It's just like the best makeup bag ever. So I ordered the like nude one for her from Nordstrom, so I'm just going to pick it up now because then I'm gonna take it over to her tonight. And then I also have a few like products, like beauty products that I'm gonna put inside of it, so I'm going to pick that up now. Here she is. So nice, you guys. I love this makeup bag because it's very like deep. It also comes with a little like portable mirror which slides into here really nicely, and then you have this whole space, and then this part's like magnetic and it holds your brushes, and then you can just like set it on top of there. I hope Ingrid likes it. Okay, time to go home. I just picked up some packages, so I thought we could open them together. This first one's from Liquid IV, which I was literally just about to pour myself a glass. Imagine a world with less waste. At Liquid IV, our mission is to help people everywhere live better lives by optimizing the body, hydrating those in need, and bettering the planet. Ooh, the new pear flavor. With every sip of pear hydration multiplier, we're paving the way for a world with less waste. Wait, I need to try the pear flavor. I've never tried that. Multiply your hydration, reduce your impact. Ooh, such a nice water bottle. I actually got these 2 little jars from Target like last week to keep my Liquid IV in. These are my favorite ones. The energy ones are kind of like matcha, lemon ginger flavor. And then in here I have like strawberry of just the regular hydrating ones. I also have a discount code for Liquid IV if you guys ever want to order from their website. It's just maddiecidlik. I think it gives you 25% off. This new packaging is different and it's all compostable, and so is this box. I love that. Cheers. That's good. Wow, that's so like refreshing. Okay, this next box is very heavy. It's from Aloe, and I think I know what this is. The box says Aloe Glow System, so I know they're coming out with a beauty line. Let's see. Vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free, no animal testing, all the good stuff. Let's see the products. We have an enzyme facial cleanser, radiance serum, luminizing face moisturizer. What are you doing? Body wash, magnesium reset spray, body lotion, and head to toe glow oil. Ooh, thank you so much, Aloe. I'm so excited to try these. This looks amazing. day. It's Wednesday. I leave for my trip tomorrow and I haven't packed a single thing, so that's what I'm gonna be doing most of today. I always procrastinate packing. I don't know why. Like, I always tell myself I'm gonna give it a few days so that I'm like not rushed and I'm not forgetting things, and then I just push it to the last day. So right now I'm gonna focus on packing all of my outfits. So I'm gonna lay everything out, the clothes, the shoes, the accessories, just so I can like visualize everything, and then I'm gonna put it into the little packing cubes that I have. Okay, so I've laid out pretty much everything here. I basically have like a bikini outfit for every day, a casual like lounging outfit, and then a like dinner outfit for every day. And then I have my shoes down here. These are the packing cubes I use. They're just from Amazon. I'll link the exact ones I have down below. But these are life-changing. I highly recommend using packing cubes when you pack if you don't already. This set comes with 2 large ones and 2 small ones. So I usually, if I'm going on like a beach vacation, I organize it by doing all of my bikinis in one of the small ones, putting like underwear, bras, socks, that kind of stuff in the other small one. And then for the large ones, I do like all my daytime outfits in one and all my nighttime outfits in the other. This helps me stay so organized, especially when I'm actually on my trip, because I'm not just like living out of one big suitcase compartment. I have everything like organized, if that makes sense. Okay, all of my clothes are packed. Isn't that like so satisfying? It makes them very compact too. I haven't decided which suitcase I'm bringing yet. These are my CalPack suitcases. This is like the regular size, and then that's like the extra large one. I'm gonna lay everything out and see if it'll fit in the smaller one. The problem with the big one is if I fill it up, it's pretty much guaranteed to be over 50 pounds. So I have to like not fill it up all the way so that it's not overweight. So I would rather everything fit in here, but I'm not sure if it's going to, so we'll see. I just got inside from walking London. I had to change because it's so hot out. My face is literally red. But now I'm going to work on packing basically everything else. So how I split up my like toiletry items by like bag is I have one bag that's like my shower stuff, so like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and I'll also do like lotion and stuff in that bag. Then I have a bag for my skincare. Then I have a bag for like hair stuff. And then I have a bag for makeup. So I'm gonna like lay everything out, put it into all the different bags, and then hopefully I can put everything into my suitcase and make sure it all fits.
Ready? Go get it. Grr. Grr. You're so strong.
Hi guys, it's much later now. I just wanted to wrap up this vlog. I'm at my parents' house now because I'm staying here tonight since my flight is super early tomorrow morning, and Lennon and Kitty are staying with my parents while I'm away, so I wanted to bring them over here tonight instead of like super early in the morning. So I'm here now. I like washed my hair and I'm gonna go to bed soon. I started editing this vlog because I need to get it uploaded before I leave because I'm not bringing my computer with me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little like packing, prepping for vacation vlog. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos, including my Tulum vlog. I'm so excited. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram to keep up with more of my real-time life over there. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.